With the massive surge of iPads and tablets taking over the scene for college students and replacing the traditional laptop and MacBook, you're definitely going to want to find some good apps that help keep you productive and keep you moving the same as a laptop would, but now with a more portable tablet. So in today's video, I want to go over some of my favorite apps that help to keep you productive, and a lot of these are free, some of them are paid, but they all have a free version. So let's get into it and let's talk tech. I'm Arnell with Ardently Tech. On this channel, we believe tech was made to make our lives easier, so we're here to help you understand and discover that tech that improves your life. So starting off this list is the app EveryDollar. This is a budgeting app, and this helps especially as you're off in college and you're starting to take on more responsibilities. You might have your own bank account, maybe parents are helping you with some money, maybe you have a part-time or a full-time job, and all of this is all coming brand new. Having a budget helps keep you in mind and in place of what you can afford, what you can blow your money on, and the kind of things that you need to save on. So the EveryDollar app makes things really easy, helps to keep track of any kind of debt that you need to pay off, any savings that you need to make, and helps to keep track of your recurring bills and anything like that. Plus, you can pay for the premium version and it'll automatically link to your bank account and show up on the bottom with transactions. So then it basically just pulls in any transactions you've made and you can just drag and drop them into the respective categories. Helps to keep things a lot easier and also helps to keep things more in mind, so that way you're able to see all of your transactions in one place, all in this budgeting app. And helps to prevent any kind of fraudulent charges or catching them a lot sooner, since you're able to see them in this one app instead of having to manually check in your bank's app. Up next is Google Docs. This is a no-brainer. It's a very popular app. This isn't some, hidden gem of an app, but what I love about it is that it helps to keep things portable and easily accessible from just about anywhere. I can start any kind of document, any kind of paper on my iPad, and it can easily transfer over to a phone. And from really anywhere that I'm at, as long as I'm signed into the same Google account, I'm able to function the same, whether I'm on an iPad, a phone, a computer. Everything is all functioning the same, and I love it for that. Now, with portability in mind, that brings us to the sponsor of today's video, and that is Mint Mobile. If you didn't know, Mint Mobile offers premium wireless service for as little as $15 a month. And now, as a special offer and for a limited time only, you can get their unlimited plan, which is normally $30 a month, for the price of $15 a month, which is their cheapest plan. Use our link mintmobile.com/ardently to get started. You can check out our link down below, or you can scan this QR code right here. They are on the nation's largest 5G network, which is critical because if you are trying to save money but you don't want to skimp on the premium quality plan, then you're definitely going to want to check out Mint Mobile. Switching to Mint is extremely easy, and it can be done right now online for as little as a few minutes with their eSIM service. Adrian shared how he wished he could have switched to Mint Mobile back when he was in college because he was on his family plan, and when he got kicked off, he had to pay around $100 a month for unlimited service. And $100 a month for a broke college student, or anyone else for that matter, is pretty crazy to pay. Why should you pay more than you have to for access to the same network? This limited time offer is a great opportunity to save big on your wireless plan. Again, it's only $15 a month for a limited time only for their unlimited plan, which is 50% off of their already super low price. So definitely check the link down below for more information and to get signed up today. Now up next, one of my favorite apps is Life 360. This is a great app to help keep track of where you are and where other people are in your circle. Now I will say that you will need a cellular model of the iPad if you are considering this for your iPad, but if you don't have a cellular model, then you can definitely just download this on your phone. Either way, I highly recommend this app. This is great for the college students that are going off and away from home and going into a different state. Maybe you're being far away from your parents and your family for the first time in your life, and your family wants to keep track of you to make sure that you're safe. And it's nice to also be able to keep track of your parents, make sure that, they're safe, they're at home, or they made it to work, or whatever's the case. Basically keeping everybody updated automatically for you, so then you don't have to send those texts, made it back home safe. It just does it automatically for you, and it's easily accessible from anywhere in the world. Now up next is another one of my favorites, and that is Audible. Audible is obviously great for listening to audiobooks, but it's especially critical for college students because certain college textbooks are also available on Audible. And so that means for the people like myself that honestly learn better from hearing an audiobook rather than reading a physical book, it's honestly great because it just reads the book to you. You're able to absorb that information a lot easier. And if you commute to school, or if you have, a lot of free time where you're able to listen to things, then you're able to kind of multitask and get to wherever you need to go and listen to the textbook, and just kind of frees up your time as well. Up next is another favorite of mine, and that is Goodnotes 5. Goodnotes 5 is great, and it's a very popular app. You're able to handwrite all of your notes inside for the people that definitely like to handwrite versus type. You can also type your notes in here as well, and you're basically able to do everything you can with a physical notebook, but you can do it in your phone or your tablet, and you can access it from either one. So if you start your notes on your phone, but you want to get to it on your tablet, you can easily do that. And it has great organization as well, because you're able to simply put certain things into a certain folder, so then you can easily find things very quickly and easily at just about any time. There's also great customizable features like choosing the thickness of the ink when you're handwriting, or you can also highlight in a bunch of different colors. You can write in an infinite amount of colors by choosing on the color wheel. So that way you can even section off your notes to be, math notes in red, science notes in green, and so on and so forth.
Goodnotes 5 has a game-changing ability that allows it to actually search through your handwritten and your typed notes. This is a major game changer because when you've taken those long notes and it's filled up the whole page and you want to look for that specific word or phrase, Goodnotes 5 has an incredible search engine capability.
Now, similarly, you can pay for an upgraded version of Goodnotes 5, but personally I use the free version and it works great for me, so definitely recommend you check them out for yourself as well. Now, these are all great apps, but you're also probably looking for a reasonable device to use them, so I definitely recommend checking out our playlist on iPads right here, where we go over some of the favorite iPads like the standard or the iPad Pro, the iPad Mini, or you can check out this video here where I go over my favorite old MacBook that I still use today that you could pick up for a low cost, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.